In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a basic automation in Pipedrive 5 minutes. We're going to build a simple workflow that saves you time by automating repetitive tasks. Start by logging into your Pipedrive account so you're on the main dashboard. From there, open the More menu in the top navigation and choose Automations. This is where all your workflows live and where you can create new ones. On the Automations page, click the plus automation button to start a new workflow. Begin by giving your workflow a clear, descriptive name and a short description. Think about who this automation is for and what it's meant to accomplish. A good name helps teammates understand its purpose at a glance, and a concise description makes maintenance easier down the road. Next, set the trigger. Click Add Trigger to choose what starts the automation. Triggers define the moment Pipedrive should spring into action. Examples include when a deal is created, when a deal moves to a specific stage, or when an activity is marked done. Pick the option that best matches your process. If available, add conditions like pipeline, stage, or filters to keep the workflow targeted and avoid unnecessary actions. After the trigger, define the action. Click Add Action and decide what should happen next. If your action is to create an activity, select the activity type, write a clear subject line, set a due date, and assign it to the deal owner. Concrete, action-oriented subjects make it easier for the assignee to know what to do. For due dates, choose a time frame that supports your sales cadence without overwhelming your team. If your action is to send an email, choose a template from your sales inbox. Templates ensure consistent messaging and reduce manual typing. Decide whether the user's email signature should be included. Enabling it can make the message feel more personal and aligned with your brand. Double check placeholders in your template so they pull the correct deal or contact details. Once your trigger and action are in place, take a moment to review the workflow canvas. Confirm that the trigger conditions are precise and that the action reflects exactly what you want to happen. This quick review helps prevent unintended outcomes and keeps your automation clean and reliable. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your basic automation is ready. With a clear name, a well-defined trigger, and a thoughtful action, you've set up a dependable workflow that handles routine steps for you and keeps your process moving.